Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Pallavi's Math Class. Today I am teaching you exercise 4.2 chapter quadratic equation of class 10. But this being little longer, so I have made it into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Please do watch the parts serially. So today we are starting exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation. Beforehand, I want to show you one thing. Last time of exercise 4.1, question number 2's the last number 4, about the speed of the train and all, I left the sum up to here. Then after that you have to do some of the steps that I left for you. So today I thought that let's do the steps. Some of the students can do by yourself and some of you can't. So let's start few of the steps. So here we had 480 common, it is taken as a common, and then there left 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x. 480 is taken as a common. Now for taking this LCM, ये जो है x minus 8 और यहाँ है x, तो ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. करने से x से 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, यहीं पे आएगा, देन माइनस, देन इस नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, तो यहाँ पे आ गया. तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट देना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि बिना ब्रैकेट से ये जब माइनस से ओपन करने वाले हो तो यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस प्लस आ जाएगा. सो इसीलिए ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अभी क्या करें, दिस नंबर विल बी शिफ्टेड टू दैट साइड, सो इट विल बिकम लाइक 3 by 480 और यहाँ रह गया x माइनस एक्स माइनस माइनस प्लस 8, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x. ये दो टर्म सिमिलर है, सो कैंसिल हो गया. एंड देन अब इससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 24x और ये तो हम लोग थोड़ा इसको छोटा भी कर सकते हैं. यू गेट कैंसिल द टर्म्स बाई 3 1 जा 3, 3 6 जा 18, तो 160. तो यहाँ भी सिंपल हो गया, ये 1 रह गया, तो ये इंटू 1, द सेम टर्म विल रिमेन. देन 160 इंटू 8, 1280. सो फाइनली यहाँ तक आप लोगों को करना है. सो ये तो हो गया इक्वेशन. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग एक्सरसाइज 4.2. हियर इज द एक्सरसाइज 4.2. 4.2 number 1 is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. अब फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड क्या है? फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड यही है कि आप लोगों को फैक्टर्स बनाना होंगे और उसके बाद ही सॉल्व करना है. और फैक्टर्स बनाने का मतलब क्या है? स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म, splitting up the middle term. So for splitting up the middle term, ऐसा नहीं कि 3 है तो किसी भी तरह हम लोग इसको स्प्लिट करें, ब्रेक करें. तो ये जो टर्म, इसमें मेथड यही है, यहाँ पे जो टर्म रहते हैं और यहाँ का जो कोफिशिएंट है, दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करना होता है. तो फाइनली यहीं पे 1 है, तो 10 1 जा 10. अब यही 10 को हम लोग फैक्टराइज करेंगे. 10 1 जा 10, एक 1 पेयर ऑफ फैक्टर्स मिल गया, देन दूसरा पेयर 2 5 ज़ा 10। तो यही 2 पेयर से हम लोगों को 3 बनाना होगा। तो अब चलिए हम लोग कुछ ट्राई करते हैं। फर्स्ट पेयर 10 and 1 लेके आइदर यू कैन डू प्लस और माइनस, दैट मीन्स 10 + 1 करके अगर देखें कि ये 10 + 1 से 11 होता है, फिर से ये माइनस करके देखें 10 - 1 9 आता है। तो आइदर ऑफ द टू इज़ नॉट देयर। सो अब हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं ये 2 and 5 लेके। ये दोनों को एक बार प्लस करके देखिए, एक बार माइनस करके देखिए। तो इफ़ वी डू एडिशन देन 5 + 2 विल कम एज ए 7 and 5 - 2 if I do then it will come as 3. So this pair is required. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि यहाँ पे जो भी दो टर्म लेना है, ये दोनों से ये तो बनना ही है, तो ऊपर से इसका भी प्रोडक्ट वही बनना है। ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट के साथ इक्वल बनाना है। सो finally we have got 5 - 2. So we'll break it up. 5x minus minus plus twice x minus 10 = 0. अब ये दोनों से कुछ कॉमन लेना है, ये दोनों से कुछ कॉमन लेना है। ये दोनों टर्म से x और नहीं तो y, जो भी यहाँ पे वेरिएबल होते हैं, that will comes as a common term along with any number if it's possible. ये दोनों में से x कॉमन आ गया, यहाँ पे x minus 5 प्लस यहाँ पे से 2 आ गया, x minus 5. And one thing is very important, that these two factor must be equal. If you don't see the two are not equal, if you see that these two are not equal, then your calculation is somewhere wrong. So you have to go back for checking. Now these two terms are similar, therefore we can write as x minus 5 and x plus 2. This 2 will come as a common term and the remaining terms x and plus 2 will be there. So finally we have got two factors, either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So from here we will get x is equal to 5 and here from we will get x equal to minus 2. So these are the two answers. Therefore x is equal to 5 and minus 2. Now we are doing question number 2. 2x square plus 6 plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now again we have to do the product of 2 and 6. 2 and 6 will give you 12. Now you go for finding the factors of that. 1 12 jar, 2 6 jar, 3 4 jar. These are the three pairs. So by using any one of the three, we are to make 1. That means the coefficient of x. So here let's start from 1 and 12. If I add 1 and 12, it comes 13. If I subtract, it comes 11. So it's not possible. 2 and 6, if I take 2 plus 6 gives you 8. 6 minus 2 or 2 minus 6, whatever you do, either minus 4 or 4. So it will also be not possible. We need to get 1. If you take this, but by addition you won't get the number. 3 plus 4 will give you 7. But if I do 4 minus 3, then it will give you 1. Why instead of 3 minus 4, I have taken 4 minus 3? Because if I take 3 minus 4, there also will come 1, but it will be minus. But we don't have minus sign. We have plus 1. So we need this relation, 2x square plus 4 minus 3 x minus 6 equal to 0. 4 3s are 4x minus 3 into x, 3x minus 6. Now from there and from here you take 2 common, x plus 2 also common, and from both x is also common. So here left x and here left 2. From this 2, 3 and in 6 is a multiple of 3, so 3 will come as a common. Now in the bracket, as we have taken minus common, so this sign will be plus. 3 2s are 6. Does these two factors are similar? We'll get x plus 2 and here twice x minus 3. So either x plus 2 equals to 0, which gives you x is equal to minus 2, or twice x minus 3 equal to 0, that means twice x equal to 3, that means x is equal to 3 by 2. So these are the two answers. I am doing these sums serially to make your conception clear, but those are similar sums. I'll leave for you all. You are also to do by your own. Next question is little bit different because of having the root, but not critical. If you go by using the method, don't go for finding this, breaking up, splitting up this middle term directly without getting the product of these two terms. Then your answer will always be wrong. So always, whatever the term you get, you need to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. See here we have root 2 and root 2 and there is 5. So it looks like how it's possible to get 7, but it's easy if you go for multiplying both of them. These two are getting product. 5 will get multiplied by 1. These are very silly conception. You must know this all. This type of multiplications we have all got in class 9 also. Root 2 and root 2 will give you root 2 square. That means root 2 square, square and root will get cancelled. They are left 2. So we have 10. 5 2s are 10. Now you get the factors of 10. 10 1s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. Again the same method what we have done earlier, using any one of the pair we need to find 7. If you take 10 and 1 we won't get 7, either you add or subtract. We need to take 2 and 5. You can't subtract but you have to add up. This here comes 2 and x, twice x, 5 and x, 5 into x, 5x. You need to check the sign also, as it is a positive sign. I have not mentioned anything, but if it is a minus sign, by this minus sign also to be multiplied, plus 5 root 2. Always from this 2 you take common and from other 2 you take something common. Root 2 and 2, what will come as a common? In a 2 we have 2 root 2's because 2 is a root 2 square. So as we have 2 times root 2, so 1 root 2 can be taken common from both of them. X square and x is common. So here left x plus root 2. Now from this 2, 5 is common. X plus root 2 equal to 0. Thus we have x plus root 2. These two are common, so we have written x plus root 2 and other 2 you write in the other factors. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now either x plus root 2 is equal to 0, which gives you x is equal to minus root 2, or root 2x plus 5 equals to 0, which gives you root 2x equal to minus 5. That means x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So these are the two answers. Are you following me? Now I'm going to question number 4. It's also not very typical, but a little sense you need. As there is a fraction in the constant term, so some of you may get puzzled how to get this answer. As it is a fraction, we'll take the LCM of that. So now by 8 2s are 16, 8 into x, 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you cross multiply. When you multiply 8 with 0, we will get 0 only. 8 zeros are 0. This question can be solved by using the formula also and by splitting out by factorization method. If you go for following any formula, then it seems to be like 16. अगर हम लोग 4 बना ले तो ये 4 स्क्वायर हो गया, 4x होल स्क्वायर. देन a स्क्वायर बना लिया, अब b स्क्वायर बना लो पहले, उसके बाद ही मिडिल टर्म आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, इट विल कम, डोंट वरी. b स्क्वायर. When these two are possible to make as a square, we will make this two number as a whole square and the middle term will come automatically because it is considered as a, it is b. So 2 times of ab, if I write a means 4x, b means 1, we will get the same. 4 2s are 8x. Thus we will get 4x minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So whole square means 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, not minus and plus. माइनस एंड प्लस फार्मूला होता है ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, जिसमें ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी आता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर और ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर आता है तो द सेम टर्म विल रिपीट 2 times this way. So either 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0, same. Therefore 4x equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 by 4. Here also x is equal to 1 by 4. This is one method. Other method if we go for following, then ये जो है 4 8 इसको हम लोग स्प्लिट करेंगे तो फिर से वही मेथड 16 एंड 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 16 1 जा 16, तो इसका फैक्टराइज करो. 1 into 16, 2 8 जा 16 एंड देन 4 4 जा 16. अगर हम लोग ये वाला पेयर लें तो यहाँ से इससे 8 नहीं मिलने वाला है. either you add or subtract, but if you take this then also it will not get 10, it will come as a 10. 8 plus 2 10 and 8 minus 2 is 6, so that also will not be matching. But if you go for taking this pair, you will get 8. So I am showing you after this step you can follow this method also, or after this step you can follow me this way. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. तो ये 8 को 4 plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. तो ये हो गया 16x square minus 4x minus plus minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. ये दोनों से और ये दोनों से कॉमन लीजिए एंड सॉरी यहाँ पे x भी आ जाएगा. 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1, and then यहाँ कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है कि कॉमन है कि नहीं है, तो when there is nothing common we will take 1 as a common term. Correct. Minus is taken common, so this plus will become minus, so that minus minus will come again plus. तो यहाँ भी ये दोनों सेम फैक्टर है, यहाँ भी सेम, तो फिर से इसी मेथड से हम लोग इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव गॉट 2 ways ऑफ सॉल्विंग द सम. Either you can go with this or you can go with that.